Okay. That's cool. And then we connect this to channel 2.
Were you able to connect?
So how do I?
Able to connect?
Still working on it. So how do I?
So this is exactly what we were talking about, where you take light here, propagate it through, and detect it with something else. Okay. And so now, I mean, you basically built everything. You just have to be more sophisticated and do it cleaner and make a nice setup so you get rid of background light and blah blah blah. And this gives you a broad spectrum because this gives you all the colors in white light. If you used red, then you would see what happens with red. And
can we change and put the right one?
you can the aptitude voltage. Oh, for the signal generator. Yes. We want the signal generator to go. Amplitude is 2. Peak to peak amplitude is 2.
So it's plus 4 plus 2.
Okay. And first thing is always just to see if the LED.
Was lighted earlier?
It did light already.
Yeah. But
It did.
Then it turned off. So that should be this.
Your function generator, you got this set to 1 kilohertz, right? So now all we have to do is get the channel choose so we can look at the signal. But right now, I don't even.
As you can see that it's there. We need to get you a brighter LED. So we're going to make the scale for, so we don't need this one. We're only using the one. And we're going to make this be So you saw the signal you're
Yes.
generating looks like this. So it's at 3 volts, so it's a high voltage, a DC voltage with a wiggle on top. And that's exactly what we're seeing here.
And now we can see.
If we switch the spectrum, the signal generator to be a square wave, we'll see a square wave now. It's not a clean one, but it's still a
Yeah,
square
still
wave.
we can see. Yeah.
You're seeing actually the frequency response of the solar cell, but it looks like a square wave. If you go to the square wave and change the duty cycle to be, let's make it really small, like 10. You little short pulses. So you've made an optical communication system.
So now what you need to do is look at your time base. Let me see. But where's the other attributes for the scope? Like the time base, your voltage per. Yeah, that's the peak measure.
And I would recommend, what you want to do is you want to connect. So what is the frequency? Two little.
It's working now. That's good. So we forgot to heat her on.
Oh yeah.
That's a small thing.
Because what happened, you have DC couple has enough DC volts to take it off scale. So now change this to like 20.
Okay, now we did the solar.
Yeah.
So when we
so
put
that
the
this
solar
can be
on the
further
top,
than the-
Yeah.
so
So go to this guy.
So it's telling us the frequency of what?
Yeah, the what?
yeah. Oh yeah, that's look. Wow, what impressive.
Well, that's something. They doing something different. They did this early. Or come back in some if you want to.
Look at the scope. Roll it there, you can see it looks like a terrible square wave. Because you're seeing the frequency response of the solar cell. It's pretty slow. But you've made it up. You've made it possible for a signal to get from here to here and go to
It's changing because my hand is.
Yeah. Put it up.